Good morning, guys. Today is farm day, just me and my dad. So I picked up some essentials. Got us a coffee. Got us a little breakfast. Let's see what we do. I just want to take you guys along with me. And this man's already feeding. He couldn't wait for me. Look at that man, already working hard this morning. Couldn't wait. Doesn't wait. Can't wait. Anyways, we're using the tractor now. You guys see that? You guys see that? Looking nice. He's gonna get happy off of this. Look at this. Not the sandwich. That was already on it. This is silage. Smells delicious. Almond silage. Two-way. They're loving it. We're almost ready to use it. We need a little bit. We just need a little bit more work on.